Welcome back, science enthusiasts, to another episode of Fact Story Science. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating topic of how life originated on our beautiful planet Earth. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. The story of life on Earth begins billions of years ago, in a time when our planet was a hot, molten mess. Scientists believe that the first signs of life emerged around 3.8 billion years ago in the form of single-celled organisms. These tiny beings were the ancestors of all living things on Earth today. But how did life come into existence? The answer lies in a concept known as abiogenesis. According to this theory, the early Earth provided the perfect conditions for life to form. It had an atmosphere rich in gases like methane, ammonia, and water vapor, with lightning storms and volcanic activity adding energy to the mix. In this primordial soup, simple organic molecules began to form. These molecules combined and interacted, eventually giving rise to more complex structures like proteins and nucleic acids. One of the key breakthroughs in understanding life's origin came from the famous Miller-Urey experiment in the 1950s. Stanley Miller and Harold Urey simulated the conditions of early Earth in a laboratory and produced amino acids, the building blocks of life. This experiment showed that the basic ingredients for life could arise spontaneously under the right circumstances. From there, these organic compounds found their way into the oceans, where they became enclosed in lipid membranes, forming the first primitive cells. These cells were simple, self-replicating entities, kick-starting the process of biological evolution. Over millions of years, these early life forms continued to evolve, leading to the emergence of more complex organisms. Through a process called natural selection, organisms with advantageous traits survived and reproduced, passing on those traits to future generations. It is believed that life gradually transitioned from simple single-celled organisms to more complex multicellular organisms. Eventually, plants, animals, and humans came into existence, each adapted to thrive in their respective environments. Today, the diversity of life on Earth is truly astonishing. From the tiniest microorganisms to the magnificent creatures that roam our planet, every living being shares a common ancestry. While the exact details of how life originated are still being explored and debated by scientists, the evidence points towards this remarkable story of abiogenesis and evolution. And there you have it, fellow science enthusiasts. The captivating tale of how life originated on Earth. From a primordial soup to the complex and diverse ecosystems we see today, it's a story of wonder, adaptation, and the incredible power of life. That's all for today's episode of Fact Story Science. If you enjoyed this journey through the origins of life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more fascinating scientific content. And remember, science is the key to unlocking the mysteries of our world. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.